It's telling me offer wait time is 1 to 7 minutes. That's not really a good sign. That just means I'll probably be sitting around for a while. So far it's been 20 minutes, still have not received the first order. Just about to hit the 30-minute mark, still have not started the first order yet. This might be a rough one, y'all. Have a kitty clip. Oh, I just refreshed the app and it's now saying 2 to 11 minutes. What do? I already did my lap around town. Now we just sit here and wait even more. Like, is $5 going 12 miles across the river really the best that you can give me? I don't think so. Yeah, unless this first order, whenever it comes, is at least $20, we're gonna be so far behind pace. We're not making any money today. I can already feel it. Okay, here we go. Finally something. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $11, going 5 miles. I think it said 6 items. I think I gotta go grab a cart. Got an add-on order. This one is $7, going an extra mile, 5 items. Why are we adding items? Why are we adding items? Finally got the first orders off of DoorDash this morning. We've got a stacked McDonald's. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and these two are going to be going about 5 miles. Okay, I've been here before, so I know that there's an elevator. Yeah, we're not doing that one. 16 miles going across the river. No, I'm good. Oh yeah, total for that last stack was $14, and one of them did not tip. This one I can do. Got a Starbucks going just under 2 miles.
What am I doing? Okay, just
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $6 and change. Not bad. It didn't take very long at all. And got this next one right away. This is a Black Rock coffee, $7, going like 3 miles.
Oh, thank you very much.
Sure.
How did you know we're old?
I'm just picking up an order.
Yeah, what was the name?
For David.
David. Perfect timing.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. There you are.
Thank you, boss.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
Have a good day. Got this as I was dropping off. This is a muchas gracias. $8 going 2.5 miles.
Hi, welcome to Muchas. How can I help you? I'm sorry? Taylor? Okay. I'll have them start working on that right now.
Well, that doesn't sound promising, but luckily it's only one burrito, so it shouldn't take too long.
One burrito, anything else for you?
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks. $7 going 3 miles. Not sure if you could see that chunky little chihuahua there, but very cute. Hello.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Sure. You have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Thank you. Got another slow spell right now. Hopefully it's not gonna last another hour like the first one, because I'm only planning to stay out for maybe another 45 minutes. Still waiting. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes and then maybe I'll do a lap around town. But in the meantime, have another kitty clip. Alright, no new orders, so we're just going home. Current time is 8:45. Total will be on screen. Still waiting on a few Uber tips, so I have no idea what it's gonna be. My guess is 70 tops. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.